Starting our seventh question. In seventh question, they are saying that a milkman sold two of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. So two buffaloes has been sold and each of 20,000. So sold it is given. It means what the selling price they have given. So selling price of first 20,000 and the selling price of second is also how much? 20,000. And they are saying on one he made a gain of 5% and other at a loss of 10%. So find his overall gain or loss. So we have to find overall gain or the loss is there. For finding the overall gain or loss, that we should have the cost price. But here in the question they haven't given the cost price. They have given only the selling price. So first we will find the cost price. So cost price of first buffalo on gain 5%. So on first we have considered it, on first we are getting a gain of 5%. So what is the formula of cost price? 100 upon 100 plus profit percent into SP. So this is a formula. Here you put the value 100 upon 100 plus 5 into 20,000. So it will come how much? 100 upon 105 into 20,000. So here we have got this one. Now we will simplify this. We have cancelled with the 5 20 times. We have cancelled with the 5 21 times. So we have got how much? 4 lakh upon 21. So we have got this one, 4 lakh upon 21 we have got. So this is our cost price, or we can divide in right also. So we will divide this one with the 21. So what will come? 1 time 21 19 1 0 we have taken. Now it will go how many time? 9 time 189. You will subtract this 1, you will take the another 0 here. So how many time it will go? 10. It cannot be divided. So what we will do, we will take how many times? 0 time it will go, then we will take the another 0. Now 100 is there. So how many times? 4 times. So how much it will come? 84. 16. Then you will take the another 0. So 160. It will go how many times? 7 times. So 147. We subtract 13. Decimal we have taken 10. We will divide now with the 21. How many times? 130. 6 times. 126. 4 0. 1 time. So its answer is came how much? 19047.61. So this is the cost price of first buffalo. Now we will find for the second one. Now we will find for the second one. So this is the cost price of second buffalo on loss. How much loss is there? 10% loss is there. So on 10%, we will find it on the loss of 10%. So formula will be the 100 upon 100 minus loss percent into SP. So 100 upon how much is there? 100 minus 10 into what is the SP? 20,000. So what will come? 20,000 will come. So 100 upon 90 into 20,000. So 1 0 we have cancelled out. So it will come how much? 2 lakh upon 9. We will divide with the 9. How much it will come? So after this we will divide with the 9. So here after this what will come? 100 upon 90 into 20,000. 0 is cancelled. 2 lakh upon 9. We will subtract this one. Sorry. We will divide this one. With the 9 it will go. How many times? 2 times. 18. And again 2 will come. Then 0. Again it will go 2 times. 18. 2. Then 0. Again 2 times. 18. 2. Again 0. 2 times. Again 18. 2. Again 0. 2 times. 18. Then point 2 2 will come. So here we have divided. It is came 1 2 3 4 5. Point 22. 22,222.22. So this we have got the cost price. When we have got the cost price, now we have to find the overall gain is there or loss is there. So if we have to find the gain and loss, so we should know both the things, that total selling price is how much and total cost price is how much. So we have to find here total selling price, total selling price. So we will add the price of both the buffalo. So how much it will come? 40,000 it is given. Then we will find total cost price. What is the cost price? First buffalo 19047.61. 19047.61 plus how much is there? Second 222.22. So this is the cost price of both. We will add this one. So how much it will come? 38.962 41,269.83. So here we are seeing what? That selling price is less than cost price. So we are having what? Loss we are having. How we are finding the loss? CP minus SP. So we will subtract here 41,269.83 minus 40,000. How much it will come? 1,269.83. So this is our answer, because we have to find only the loss. So this is the answer number 7. So here we have to remember, if selling price is given, we have to find the cost price. After calculating the cost price, so just we have to put the value in the formula and we have to simplify and we have to find the cost price of both the things, both buffalo we have find out. Then after that we have to find the gain is there or loss is there. So first we have to add both the selling price and both the cost price. Then only we can tell the overall we are having the gain or the loss.